In this video, we are going to talk all about Pakistan and places to visit. So before starting this video, please like this video, and subscribe to our channel for the future updates. Pakistan is a country rich in natural beauty, with spectacular mountain peaks, lush green landscapes, and fascinating archaeological sites. There isn't anything else you might ask for from the ultimate adventure destination, but due to the amount of negative press Pakistan gets, it remains largely undiscovered by Western tourists. Pakistan is on the verge of something special after decades of political turmoil and security issues that kept it off the radar of all but the most daring travelers. Due to improved security and political stability, Pakistan has opened its doors to visitors from all over the world. Pakistan is a breathtakingly beautiful country. The South Asian country's mountain scenery is breathtaking, with 108 peaks above 7,000 meters, including K2. Pakistan is a great place for a unique getaway, with vibrant cities like Islamabad and Lahore as well as stunning valleys in the north. Here's a list of the all about Pakistan and places to visit. Let's start. Number 10. Lake SAIF-UL-MALOOK. The spectacular natural lake SAIF-UL-MALOOK is located at the northernmost point of the Kagan Valley. It is located in the Mansehra district of the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province. This natural lake is stunning not only because of the surrounding mountain scenery, but also because of the unique reflection of the mountains in the lake water, which is simply stunning to see. Summer is the easiest and most convenient time to explore this one-of-a-kind natural wonder. It can take several nerve-wracking hours to arrive safely during the winter months, when snowfall is common along the highways. In the winter, the roads are slick with ice, making all-terrain vehicles an unreliable way to get here safely through the steep, sometimes narrow and winding mountain roads. Number 9. White Palace Swat. The White House Margazar is the only breathtaking place in the Swat district, and it is located about 12 kilometers from Mingora. Tourists come to Margazar not only for its natural beauty and nice weather, but also to see the historic White Palace, 1941, which was built during the Swat state's reign. Margazar became the capital of Swat state during the summer season after the White Palace was built on the orders of Miangul Abdul Wadud, also known as Badshah Sahab, the founder of modern Swat state. Even after 7 decades, the White Palace continues to be a tourist attraction. The palace isn't just lovely in the summer, it's also lovely in the winter, particularly after a snowfall. Swat's White Palace is made of the same stone as the Taj Mahal. Number 8. Mohenjo-daro. History buffs would be unable to resist the opportunity to visit Mohenjo-daro, a 2500 BCE archaeological site in Sindh. The mounds and ruins were once part of the Indus Valley civilization, which was a contemporary of ancient Egypt and Mesopotamia, according to an extensive study and excavation of the region. Mohenjo-daro, for example, was constructed on a grid system, had an effective water management system, and had public baths, all of which were considered advanced urban planning and civil engineering at the time. The city was abandoned around 1900 BCE for unknown reasons, and it was not discovered again until the 1920s. Detailed excavation was carried out until 1966, when all in-depth archaeological work was stopped due to weather disruption. In 1980, Mohenjo-daro was designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and it is accessible through private transportation, public transportation, or weekly flights from Karachi. Number 7. Gwadar. Deep blue oceans, white mountains, breathtaking scenery, and sand dunes come to mind. That's what you'll see in Gwadar, Pakistan's Baluchistan province's beautiful port city. While looking out over the Gwadar port, take in the breathtaking views of the Arabian Sea's clear waters. If that doesn't pique your interest, visit the popular Hammerhead, a massive rock formation formed by a mud volcano eruption. Motorboats can easily access the turquoise waters of Astola Island. If you don't want to go scuba diving, you can go fishing or explore the waters in search of dolphins and turtles. Other fascinating tourist attractions include Omara Beach, the Baluchistan Sphinx, the Princess of Hope statue, and Hingal National Park. Number 6. Naltar Valley, Gilgit. Naltar is about an hour-and-a-half drive from Gilgit city along the Karakoram Highway. This remote valley is renowned for its breathtaking natural beauty and tranquil atmosphere. Naltar is worth a visit because of its snow-capped peaks, landscapes, lakes, and vast forests. Naltar Valley transforms into a skiing paradise in the winter. The Pakistan Air Force is in charge of the ski resort, which draws thousands of visitors each year from all over the world. The magnificent Bashri Lakes have breathtaking lakeside views, natural dirt tracks, and glacial streams. It's a beautiful place for a picnic. A jeep ride will take you to Perai Lake, an alpine lake where you can go boating and take a stroll to see the sights. Number 5. Gojal Valley. The beautiful Gojal Valley is located 20 kilometers north of Hunza on the Karakoram Highway. Gojal is a beautiful region in China's Xinjiang province, with beautiful lakes, rugged mountains, glaciers, and scenic villages. You'll arrive at the popular Atabad Lake in Shishgat village after driving north through some mountain tunnels. There's a lake among the Rocky Mountains that developed after a section of a nearby mountain fell off, blocking the river's flow. This lake, known for its blue waters, is a great spot for Instagram photos, jet skiing, and boating. Then there's the picturesque Gulmat village on the Karakoram Highway. Take a walk along the highway to forget about your troubles, or take a stroll through the lush green village. You can get a bird's eye view of the surrounding villages and the popular Pasu cones by trekking for an hour to the old Andhra settlement. Number 4. Skardu. Skardu has it all. Turquoise seas, soaring mountains, stunning lakes, and benevolent people. Spend a day or two exploring the lovely Kachura village, Shangri-La Resort, and Kapana village's sand dunes. Watch the sunrise and sunset over the Indus River for a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Visit the 600-year-old Karpocho Fort to learn about the area's past. Skardu Bazaar is a must-see for shopping and dining. You'll find some great local gifts for your friends and family back home in this section. Trekking through the glaciers to the base camps of some of the world's highest mountains, including K2, is a must for trekkers. A trip to the surreal Diose National Park and Satpara Lake is a must-do on your holiday. Number 3. Kalash Valleys. Bumbaray, Barir, and Rumbar are hidden gems in Pakistan's Kalash Valleys, which are surrounded by the dramatic Hindu Kush mountain range, which is part of the Himalayas. The rugged peaks are covered in juniper and birch scrubs, providing breathtaking natural views. The valleys are renowned for their natural beauty as well as their people's beauty. The Kalash are animists, not Muslims, and live in wooden homes that dot the high hills. They are thought to be descendants of Alexander the Great's armies. The women are renowned for their vibrantly colored traditional dresses and headpieces, which are unique to this region of Pakistan. From Chitral, 2.5 hours away, jeeps and car rentals make it easy for tourists to reach the remote Kalash valleys. Bumbaray is the most populous valley and a prominent tourist destination in Pakistan. Rumbar and Barir are less established but popular with visitors from other countries. Visit the Kalasha Dur Museum in Bumbaray, a charming cultural center that provides all the details you'll need to visit the beautiful valleys. The Kalash valleys are best visited during one of their annual festivals. Chilan Joshi takes place in May, Yukao in the fall, and Choamas takes place for 2 weeks during the winter solstice. The colorful costumes, traditions, drink, and dance never cease to amaze visitors. Number 2. Hunza. It's no secret that the people of Hunza are liberal, friendly, and welcoming. Hunza, located in the Karakoram mountain range, is home to a number of vibrant and beautiful villages. Orchards, glaciers, a river, wooden bridges, and meadows surrounded by rugged, snow-capped mountains are only a few of the sights. Duakar, a tiny village perched above the valley, offers a hypnotic sunset. From the tops of the Altat and Baltat forts, take in the breathtaking views. Alternatively, literally walk through Hunza's lovely streets and mingle with the locals. Many hotels, restaurants, and shops can be found in Karimabad, the valley's main commercial hub. Before you go, sample some delectable local cuisines and browse the shops for beautiful handicrafts. Number 1. Islamabad. The charming city of Islamabad, Pakistan's capital, is a great place to relax and see the sights. The city is lush with greenery, with beautiful roads and highways, as well as a safe, calm, and serene atmosphere. You can enjoy exploring the area, which is moderately populated. Popular tourist attractions include the Pakistan Monument, Lok Versa Museum, and Faisal Mosque. Alternatively, you can simply hike the Margala Hills' picturesque and heavily forested hiking trails before driving to Monal at the top. From up here, you'll have a spectacular view of Islamabad and the surrounding areas. It's an ideal location for taking Instagram photos. For the foodie, Islamabad has a plethora of choices. Islamabad's restaurants cater to a wide range of tastes, including continental and Chinese cuisine, as well as Pakistani, American, English, and Italian cuisine. The stunning Lakeview Park in Shakarparian, as well as the tiny yet exquisite Sedpur village, are irresistible to most tourists. Centaurus Mall and Safa Gold Mall are two of Islamabad's best shopping destinations. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.